Travel gently, connect deeply, and find serenity in every journey with Exist for Travel.
We're the eyewear.
Oh, okay.
It's our biggest station in Taipei.
Wow, okay. So they have everything in here. Food.
Yes, like convenience store.
Yeah, everything.
Downstairs is railways and high-speed railway. We have both.
So yes, I know you guys have high speed.
Yeah, and also MRT also is here. So it's a station that have everything.
Everything you need.
Yes.
Amazing.
And you can even take the MRT to the airport because it's a different line. You have a city line MRT and there's a airport line for.
Oh, there it is.
Yes.
So if we want to go to the airport, we go down this way.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's the store that.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is Exist for Travel, and my name is Dominique. And on this particular video, my husband and I are traveling to Malaysia. But on our way to Malaysia, we had a layover in Taipei. And being an English teacher online, I get to meet lots of people from all over the world. And some of my best travel moments are when I'm spending time with them. So that's what I'm doing today. We arrived in the afternoon and we don't leave until tomorrow morning. So we're gonna go get glasses. That's right. We're getting glasses during this layover, something that I could never do in the US.
For men?
Yes, you can try this or this series.
Oh,
It's also okay.
for men.
Yes.
Let me see.
But for this fragile because it's no frame. So you have to be careful because it is easily broken.
Oh, something like this. Something like this.
Oh, like this.
Looks Japan. Oh,
Yes,
okay.
that's fine.
So after selecting our glasses, we had a few hours because we had 4 glasses that were being made. We knew that that was going to take a little bit of time. I think she said probably around 3 hours or so for the glasses, and we were going out to dinner. So what we did was first tour around this wonderful Taipei station before getting on the train to go to our dinner later on. So first we just kind of walked around here. We did get dessert. One of my students, her name is April. She has a particular place here that she loves to go to. So we got something there to have for dessert after our dinner at the restaurant. So here you can see that we are just really in awe at how beautiful the station is and actually how much of a social area it was. We saw people sitting in this area, just hanging out. A lot of the young people were doing this, and that was really nice to see that this was also like a social hub for people as well as transportation. So this is April's favorite little spot in Taipei Station here. And she has a particular, I think it was cheesecake is what we got. And it was really good. We had nice dessert for our meal. And as you can see, they have all kinds of other desserts too. Well, one of April's other little treats that we got here was these little custard puffs. And they were really good. It was cold in the middle and really creamy, and the outside of the puff was nice. So this was one of her favorite treats, someplace that she likes to go to when she's at the station, and she kind of shared this with us, and we really enjoyed it.
Yes, we'll try one. Babe, you gonna try one too?
Sure.
Yes. So what if I could get them the dinner and stuff and a little dessert, see? Yeah, dinner, dessert, dinner, dessert. Yeah. You don't want to cook? You just got on the train? It's just you're done. Yeah.
So this little spot here at Beard Papa's was pretty popular. We saw a lot of people taking orders, in fact they were taking it home with them. So this was a really good treat that April suggested. We
Got a cream in the middle.
That's good. The cream is colder than I thought it was going to be. It's almost like a little ice cream treat. No, it's not ice cream, but you know, it's cool.
You know, we totally took advantage of the fact that we were able to explore with them, because this way we're not guessing. You know, they're taking us to some of their favorite spots, and it was so easy to get through the station with them telling us how they do it. So easy when you are traveling. You really could take advantage of the fact that you have the opportunity to tour with a local. I say definitely do it, even if it's a paid tour. There's a lot of tours now that you can get, like a one-on-one, where the person kind of takes you around. Sometimes it's to different food spots, but sometimes they give you a little bit of history. They also take you to some local places. So if you have an opportunity to explore a city with a local, with a paid tour, just maybe your group with this person, it's great. And this is basically kind of like what we had, just that I'm very close to these, to Tina and April, because I have known them now for years, and it's just great to be in their hometown and explore with them. So definitely look at that. You know, look at that as an opportunity for yourself, because you do get a totally different perspective. We're able to talk about different things about the cultures, and they can ask us questions and we can share about our culture as well. So really kind of look at that as an opportunity for you to really enhance your travels. So April had made arrangements for us for dinner. So we're gonna go and take a nice little walk and get on the train to go to dinner. and dinner was great. We were able to have a really nice time, and we went to dinner and used the train station, which is always, great to be able to use the public transportation any place. I really enjoyed being with the locals right there, enjoying the train ride, and it was busy, but not overly busy, so it wasn't bad at all. Taipei is a really busy city. My husband and I, we thought that it really reminded us of some cities in the States, like a New York or something. Busy and lots of people going different places, getting off of work. And we like the nightlife someplace. We like getting that vibe of the different cultures that we go to by walking. And so we're able to do this and walk with April and Tina, and they're able to explain some things to us as we're walking. Dinner was tasty, and after dinner we went back to the station to get our glasses, and we got those, and then the next morning it was back on the plane to get ready to go to Malaysia. We had a fantastic layover. It was great. We felt like we got a lot done in this layover, and I got to spend time with people that I really love and care for. So safe travels, and don't forget to subscribe so you can get more wonderful content like this.